Good morning. Today I'm actually not going to give you any notes on the board, and I'm just going to go through 3 ideas really quickly. So one thing that we've been talking about is the importance of the sun. We discussed that in class yesterday, and looking at the importance in the sun, one of those big key components was that the sun provides us heat and warmth. Now that's important not only for our thermal regulation, so how we maintain our body temperatures, but also in growing plants, crops, offspring, and being able to survive in multiple ways. One of the important things about the sunlight and the warmth that it gives us is how it gives us that heat. So there's 3 ways that it can do that. It's going to be the name conduction, convection, and radiation. Those are our 3 methods of heat transfer, and that's how the sun provides us warmth and provides other parts of the globe warmth as well. The first, conduction, is what you get when you have 2 things that come in contact. So if you've ever grabbed someone and felt that their hands are colder or warmer than yours, you're going through the process of conduction. Throughout all 3 of these, we know that heat moves from the warmer to the colder. So if I have warmer hands and I grab yours, then heat is going to be going from my hand to your hand. Again, from hotter to colder. We call that moving down the temperature gradient. The second type is called convection. And convection you might recognize from an oven at home, from a stove. Some sorts of blankets actually have convective heating that they use, but what convection is heating through what they call a convection current, which is generally going to be a liquid or a gas. So if I was going, or I felt a cold breeze on a day or a warm breeze on another day, that is heating or heat transfer through convection. Now it's important to note in all of these that heat transfer occurs whenever there's a change in that heat level. So whether it's cooling or heating, they're still considered heat transfer. Now our final example is going to be a little bit more abstract than the other 2. It's called radiation. And radiation is the warming of any molecules through electromagnetic waves. We talked about electromagnetic waves yesterday in terms of that being the light that we get from the sun, but it's also the light we get from light bulbs when they feel warm to the touch as well. So the 3 types are conduction for contact, convection for currents, and radiation for electromagnetic waves, like from the sun.